campaigns by various netas, and because it is the election season, public expectations are also high. Women, youth, farmers, everyone is hoping for a better future. Students too are expecting brighter opportunities ahead. Let's take a closer look at this ground report and try and understand what the students of Maharashtra want from the new government.
With elections round the corner, we are here at St. Paul's Institute of Communication Education here in Bandra, Mumbai. And we are joined in by the students here. Let's dive right in to understand what do they really think of the current job market. And, the skill development and the skill gap. What should the government really do? Now, that's the conversation that we're going to have with the students.
I personally think that the government should focus more on the architecture as well as the architecture of the rural areas, because we don't understand that most of our votings comes from these areas, and for us to actually have some kind of development, we should give importance to them. So with AI we can do hybrid lectures, create a nice environment for students to be in, study, as well as focus on their curriculum instead of normal day-to-day life too.
What do you think about the current job market here in Mumbai or Maharashtra for that matter?
I feel honestly, with the current situation that's going on, it is a bit difficult to find jobs right now in the market, especially as someone who is just graduating.
I think it would be the new education policy, because I think, according to me at least, it's a little absurd, because when we're talking about the subjects, we have zoology, we have such subjects. We don't really have a knack of it because we are studying mass media and it comes nowhere near the subjects. So I think that's a little absurd and also a little unfair to the people who have graduated before with the old education policy.
Thank you, students, for joining us here on Times Network. In fact, one major crucial thing that need to be noted right here in this conversation is people, especially students, trying to stress on the fact, yes, there is skill gap, which is very crucial for the government to address. And they are the youngsters, and they are, of course, trying to stress on the fact that the redressal system should be more, in fact, improved. Here in Bandra in Mumbai with Ram Shrija for Times Network.